Hi! Today I'll show you how to do buttonholes. This machine can do 8 styles of one-step buttonholes. To make buttonholes, first we need to mark beginning points on the material. This will be starting point of buttonhole. Let's make buttonhole number 34. For that I need put on the display number 34. And display show us we need use a foot name A. Foot name A, this one. Here is this letter A. Before place this foot on the machine, we need insert button in the foot. Like this. Before start work, we need put a thread under foot. Position the fabric with the starting point aligned with the red marks on the foot. Here is red line must match this line on the buttonhole. And this point of red must cross exactly this line. Before sewing buttonhole, we need to pull down buttonhole lever. Now our machine ready to start work. We made buttonhole. It's straight, nice and strong. Now we need to open the buttonhole. For that I use a ripper, this one. Don't cut this buttonhole all the way down. You can cut threads. Just turn it and cut from another side. So we have buttonhole. Some materials have threads and we need to clean a little bit. Not all material, but sometimes it's necessary. Just cut it with scissors. Okay. Now I'll take button. And you can see, if you put button through hole, it fits perfectly. I use contrast material with a button and thread just make our work more visible. But for real work, of course, you will match threads with material. Now I want to make a big buttonhole for heavy material. If you want to do something like a jacket or coat, we need to make more strong button. I will use number 41. And I want to make buttonhole for this big button. Again, I need to place this button in our foot. This button, I can't just fix it. But it's okay. We can just measure exactly size and just leave it without button. We have this size right here. Don't forget to thread under foot. Again, place foot exactly on the beginning point. Make number 41 and we can start. This buttonhole have a round eye for leg of button on this part. This machine can do 8 styles. We try make 2 of them, and I think you can try to do the rest of them yourselves.